Hi, this is Kaushik Ranchod from the Ranchod Law Group, and today I'm getting a lot of questions about when can I file for my family member. So what I want to talk about is whether or not you are an immediate relative and what is an immediate relative. An immediate relative is where you have a close relationship with your family member, and because of that close relationship, you don't need to wait in line or have a numerical limitation where you have to wait for the priority date to become current in order to file. So let's take a deeper look at what is and who is an immediate relative. So the one that you're probably most familiar with is if you're the spouse of a U.S. citizen, then you're considered an immediate relative, and you can immediately file, if you're in the United States, your application with the USCIS. So you could file your I-130 immediately with your 485 and the other related documents like the G-325 and I-765 all together to get your green card. And what that means is that if you're in Sacramento or San Jose or San Francisco, our cases are getting approved anywhere from about 4 to 8 months or longer. It could take longer than that, but on average, that's what it's taking. So you don't have the long wait that other people may face where they have to wait for their I-130 to become priority date to become current. And another type of immediate relative is where you have a child who's 21 years old and you're the U.S. citizen parent. Now, in this situation, you can also file for the green card as well. Now, with all immediate relatives, you have to have entered lawfully into the United States on a visa. So if you entered what's known as EWI or entry without inspection, then you may not be eligible or you may need a waiver. So for instance, with spouses, you would need an I-601A or an I-601 waiver in order to overcome the illegal entry. And if you're in this situation, I invite you to watch my other videos or give us a call to discuss this in further detail. With the parental situation, if you are eligible for 245I, you may be able to apply. And then the other situation is where you're the U.S. citizen parent and you want to file for your child, and if they're under the age of 21, they would be also considered an immediate relative, and you could immediately file for their application. So I want to thank you for taking the time to watch this video. Hope you learned something new today, and I invite you to give us a call at 916-613-3553. We answer questions like this all day long. And also send us your question of what you want answered so we can answer it on our next video. Thank you and have an awesome day. With the Ranchod Law Group. Whether you're trying to determine the type of visa or green card you qualify for, or just need tips on what to look for in hiring an immigration attorney, we have the answers. My team of professionals is comprised of many immigrants, and we understand how complex the process can be on your own. Give my office a call today for a free consumer's guide on hiring an immigration attorney.